Today, we are diving into the latest revelations surrounding the Canon EOS R6 III, a highly anticipated addition to Canon's mirrorless camera lineup. With a range of cutting-edge enhancements, this camera is poised to set new standards for both photography and videography enthusiasts. Could this be the camera that rivals the much-anticipated R5 Mark II? Let's explore the exciting details. The Canon EOS R6 III is expected to bring a revolutionary upgrade to its predecessor, offering remarkable performance improvements across the board. One of the most significant rumors surrounding this model is the inclusion of a powerful 24-megapixel stacked backside illuminated BSI sensor, potentially adapted from Canon's high-end EOS R3. This advancement would lead to faster readout speeds, enhanced low-light performance, and a substantial reduction in rolling shutter effects. These enhancements would make it a formidable choice for action, wildlife, and sports photographers who require impeccable image quality and rapid shutter speeds. For videographers, the Canon R6 III is expected to deliver substantial improvements in video recording capabilities. Reports suggest it may support 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second, allowing for ultra-smooth slow-motion footage. Additionally, there is speculation about the inclusion of 6K RAW recording, which would be a game-changer for filmmakers who demand maximum flexibility in post-production. Canon log profiles are also expected to be supported, enabling superior color grading and dynamic range. A key enhancement that professionals and enthusiasts alike will appreciate is the camera's expected support for CF Express memory cards. These high-speed storage solutions significantly improve data transfer rates, ensuring faster buffering and more efficient video recording. With these features, the Canon EOS R6 III is venturing into professional territory, bridging the gap between consumer-friendly and flagship mirrorless models. Canon's signature dual-pixel autofocus (DPF) system is anticipated to receive a significant upgrade with AI-driven subject detection. This would improve tracking accuracy for fast-moving subjects, making it ideal for sports, wildlife, and portrait photographers. Enhanced eye and face detection capabilities would allow users to capture tack-sharp images even in challenging lighting conditions, reinforcing Canon's reputation for superior autofocus technology. Under the hood, the new Digic X processor is expected to power the R6 III, leading to improved overall performance. This updated processing engine would enhance autofocus speed, noise reduction, and video encoding efficiency. Photographers can expect faster burst shooting rates, making it easier to capture fleeting moments with precision. The improved processing power would also contribute to better battery efficiency, an area where mirrorless cameras traditionally struggle. Price positioning is another crucial factor that Canon will need to consider for the R6 III. Given the high-end features expected, Canon is likely to price it competitively, making it accessible to both advanced enthusiasts and professionals. If the price remains within an attractive range, the R6 III could become a highly sought-after option, especially for those seeking flagship-level performance without the premium price tag of the R5 series. In terms of release, industry insiders suggest that Canon may unveil the R6 III in early 2025. This timeline is crucial, as it allows Canon to maintain market momentum while ensuring that recent R6 II buyers do not feel alienated by a premature successor. The company's strategic approach to product launches will be key in ensuring a smooth transition for users looking to upgrade. Beyond the R6 III, another intriguing development in Canon's lineup is the rumored EOS -1 rupee, a retro-inspired mirrorless camera. This model is expected to blend classic aesthetics with modern technology, drawing inspiration from legendary Canon film cameras like the A1 and the quirky QL7G3. If the rumors hold, the -1 rupee could feature bold and unconventional design elements, such as a classic pentaprism hump or asymmetrical contours, setting it apart in a market dominated by sleek and minimalistic mirrorless cameras. Despite its nostalgic appeal, the Canon EOS -1 rupee is rumored to pack serious technology under the hood. A 24-megapixel APS-C sensor, a vari-angle touchscreen display, and compact portability suggest that this camera is not merely a collector's item, but a practical tool for everyday photography. Canon appears to be tapping into growing consumer interest in retro designs, a trend that has seen success with brands like Fujifilm and Nikon. The EOS -1 rupee could bring a refreshing change to Canon's current lineup, rekindling the joy of photography for enthusiasts who appreciate classic aesthetics while demanding modern performance. Whether it becomes a mainstream hit or remains a niche offering, the RE1's potential to disrupt the camera market is undeniable. With a unique design philosophy and capable internals, it could attract both seasoned photographers and newcomers looking for something distinctive. Canon has a track record of surprising its user base with innovative yet practical solutions, and the upcoming launches of the R6 Mark III and the EOS -1 rupee further reinforce this tradition. While the R6 Mark III aims to set new benchmarks in performance, the -1 rupee could redefine what it means to shoot with a mirrorless camera. Ultimately, the Canon R6 Mark III's success will depend on how well it balances performance, pricing, and user expectations. With industry-leading autofocus, high-speed video recording, and professional-grade features, it has the potential to be a game-changer in the mirrorless camera market. On the other hand, the RE1's success will hinge on whether it resonates with photographers seeking a blend of nostalgia and cutting-edge imaging technology. As we await official announcements, one thing is clear: Canon is gearing up for an exciting year ahead. Whether you're a videographer looking for top-tier recording capabilities or a photographer seeking a reliable, high-performance mirrorless camera, the R6 Mark III promises to deliver on all fronts. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology in the Future for the latest news and insights on cutting-edge tech innovations. Let us know in the comments. Are you excited about the Canon R6 Mark III?